Hello everyone, welcome to the BISP solutions. Today we'll start with creating logic accounts in data management. So logic accounts are dynamically generated accounts and are used to calculate the supplemental values that are not provided in source files. Logic groups are associated with a target application. The logic group list of values is filtered in the location user interface based on the target application in which it was created. Like all other source accounts, logic accounts can be mapped and loaded into the target systems. A simple logic group enables you to derive the logic items only from the source account dimension. A complex logic group enables you to derive logic items from any combination of dimensions. So this is our file, account, amount and entity. So we'll create the import format as it is. My source system is file. My target application is Vision Console. Here I'll be using the FCCS application. Select the source as file. And delimited numeric data. Map your columns in import format mapping. Account, amount and entity. My entity is in third column. So account, amount and entity were in my file. Now I'll map the remaining dimensions by using the previously used field number. Create the location. Select the import format which you created. Save. Now we'll go to creation of the logic group. Select the target application. Here you can see I have already created the logic account. We can go ahead and I'll create it again for you using some different name. So we can use logic underscore account underscore data. You can use the load type as simple logic, and you can give the description as logic account data, logic type as simple logic, description as simple logic account data, load 1. So this is my logic group name which is created. Now here I'll add the items. L101.1 criteria type I'll use as in, criteria value I'll use as, that means if we refer to our file, we are saying that we have if you get such a requirement that after this you have multiple accounts and you want to load for the, and you have the amounts and you want to load for this particular entity only, but you are not aware on which account you are trying to load. So we are creating the logic group, logic account. That means the next account, whatever it will be, we'll define a name and we'll give basically a code, and we are saying this is my series, this is my criteria value. After this, whatever is the number on this, that is the amount on this particular account, multiply it or divide it with some expression value and give the sequence. So that's why we are using this 26100, and I'll use the operator as, I'll give the value or expression as maybe, so you have multiple operators which you can define, plus addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So value I'll be giving as this, sequence maybe 1 because there will be multiple logic items you can create and export it. Save it. Now you define this logic group in your location. So the location which you created, you need to define this. Here you can select your logic account group which we created just now, that is logic account data, and save it. Now we'll go to the workflow tab under data load mapping. This is my location for June 18 and actual. First we'll be doing the explicit mapping. That means the logic account which we have created, our source value is L-101.1. It should get mapped to the target 25100, this account, and you can give any description and save it. So the logic account which we created, we want this to be mapped to this target value with the number which is there on the previous one, multiply by 0.05. This is the 5% of the value gets multiplied, and you need to load it in this particular new logic account or the demo account which we created now. And the remaining, for remaining accounts, I'll be doing the like mapping. Data source, it is managed data. For entity, I'll be doing the like mapping, star to star. from currency. So here we'll be defining as an entity currency. It's better to choose it from the application itself. Define the intercompany value. Movement system defined. Multi-gap is also system defined. Now we'll define it for product. So we have done the mapping. Just wanted to cross check with the account, that is this is LE L-101.1. For this we'll go to the logic account that we created. Now we'll go to the data load rule, create the DLR, this is my import format. Upload your file. This is my file. Save and execute it. Import and transform stage balance data, that is validate, is done. Now the export rule is running. Just wait for some time until it's finished, then we'll check the result. Alright, it's done. Go to the data load workbench and check. We have got the three features of import, validate and export. These are all my accounts. You can see at the bottom, this is my logic account which is being created, that is L-101.1, and the target account which we defined that it should be mapped to, so 25100 was the logic account. For this we did the explicit mapping, and I said the amount of this, that is 26100, it should be multiplied by 0.05. So the 50,000 into 0.05 will be 2500, should be loaded for this logic account, that is C. So this is my logic account. 5% of this will be 2500. So this is my logic account we created, and it is getting mapped to this particular target. So this is the way how you can create the logic account in data management and upload it in your target. So if you have any questions, please contact BISP Solutions. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.